Join me as I try to find the best tips to pay less in taxes this year and keep more money in my pocket. Let's talk about something that's really important to all of us: keeping more money in our pockets instead of giving it to the government. Who doesn't want that, right? The truth is, tax savings can add up to make a huge difference in our financial lives. When it comes to taxes, most people feel overwhelmed and confused. The tax code is complicated, and it seems like it's always changing. On top of that, there are so many different rules and regulations to keep track of. It's no wonder people struggle to understand how to minimize their tax burden. A lot of people think that tax planning is only for the wealthy or for people who are self-employed. But that's just not true. Anyone can benefit from understanding how to save on their taxes. The problem is, most people don't even know where to start. They're unsure about what deductions they're eligible for or how to claim credits. And to make matters worse, tax professionals can be expensive, and their fees can eat into your savings. So it's no wonder that people often feel like they're stuck paying too much in taxes without knowing how to fight back. One of the best ways to pay less in taxes is to take advantage of deduction. These are expenses that you can subtract from your taxable income, which reduces the amount of taxes you owe. For example, if you're self-employed, you can deduct business expenses like travel costs, office supplies, and equipment. You can also take advantage of tax credits, which are even more valuable than deduction. A tax credit directly reduces the amount of taxes you owe rather than just reducing your taxable income. For example, you might be eligible for the Earned Income Tax Credit or the Child Tax Credit if you have kids. Another great way to save on taxes is to utilize retirement accounts. Contributions to these accounts are tax deductible, which means you can subtract them from your taxable income. Plus, the money grows tax-free until you retire, when you'll likely be in a lower tax bracket anyway. And let's not forget about charitable donations. These are a great way to give back to your community while also reducing your tax burden. Just be sure to keep receipts for your donations so you can prove them on your tax return. But here's the thing: strategic tax planning can have a huge impact over the long term. By saving just a few $100s per year, you could be saving tens of thousands of dollars over the course of your lifetime. That's money that could be invested, saved, or used to pursue your passions. The key is to be proactive about your finances and to stay informed about the tax laws that affect you. By doing so, you can make smart decisions that will save you money for years to come. In summary, paying less in taxes requires some knowledge and planning, but it's definitely doable. By taking advantage of deductions, credits, and retirement accounts,